Hello everyone, welcome back to Live the New. I'm Sakshima, and on this show we meet celebrities from different walks of life and ask them how they are living the new. Because of the coronavirus, a lot of us have been stuck at home for many months and we've not been able to go to work, but now finally that things are unlocking, we have started to step out. So I'm going to ask these celebrities what are the precautions that they are taking for their safety and to ensure the safety of other people around them. So, my guest today is Sajid Khan, music director and composer. He's been a part of films like The Bung 2, Ek Tha Tiger, Rowdy Rathore, Houseful 2, Partner, and he's won many awards. The list goes on. Sajid Khan, welcome to Live the New.
Hi Sakshima, how are you? कैसी हैं आप?
Hello.
See, I'm taking your name properly, Sakshima.
You're one of the few people who are doing it, so I'm very happy. I'm also happy that you gave me a new name, Sakshi, so I'm gonna call myself
that. Yeah, that sounds very cool.
सबसे पहले let's talk about the new song that you've released, जीत जाएंगे हम. I was just checking, it's crossed 1.1 million views in a week. So tell us a little bit about the song.
Actually, this song, when Wajid was in hospital, I wanted him to keep busy, because छोटी छोटी बातों के ऊपर ऐसा हो जाता था, तो मैंने सोचा कि इसको बिज़ी कर देता हूँ. म्यूज़िक इज़ वन थिंग जिससे ये बिज़ी हो जाएगा और इसको इस तकलीफ़ के बारे में पता नहीं चलेगा. तो आई स्टार्टेड, मैंने बोला वाजिद वी आर स्टार्टिंग तालीम म्यूज़िक. तो बोले नेट के ऊपर, मैंने कहा आजकल सब लोग ही अपने अपने गाने रिलीज़ करते हैं. ही वॉज़ वेरी हैप्पी. एंड उस वक्त हमने पहला गाना निकाला वंदे मातरम, कोविड चल रहा था. फिर दूसरा ईद के टाइम पे हमने, ईद का टाइम था तो ईद के टाइम पे व्हेन आई यूज्ड टू गो, तो वो बेचारा थोड़ा टेंस रहता था कि यार ईद हो रही है, ये हो रही है. तो मैं बोला यार वाजिद अभी तू नहीं है तो ईद बना के क्या फ़ायदा. तो मैं बोला फिर भी, बोले नहीं यार फिर भी बहुत सारे लोग हैं. तो हमने ईद का गाना किया तालीम म्यूज़िक पे. तालीम म्यूज़िक हमारा एक नया चैनल खोला है हमने यूट्यूब के ऊपर, तो उसके ऊपर हमने निकाला.
राइट.
देन उसके साथ टाइम बिताने में तो पता नहीं उसकी तकलीफ़ें देख देख के मैं मतलब उसको ज़ाहिर नहीं करता था. आई नेवर यूज़ टू लेट हिम नो के आई एम फीलिंग बैड एंड यू आर गोइंग थ्रू दिस एंड ये. तो मैंने सोचा कि यार इस वक्त को भी मैं गाने में कन्वर्ट कर देता हूँ. एंड एट दैट पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम उसका दिमाग हटाने के लिए आई यूज़ टू गिव हिम वन लाइनर के वाजिद वो वक्त नहीं रहा, ये वक्त भी नहीं रहेगा, आप बेफिक्र रहो कि एक वक्त आएगा कि हम ये सब चीज़ भूल जाएंगे. विल बी बैक अगेन. हमको बहुत ट्रैवल करना है, हमको म्यूज़िक बनाना है और बहुत कुछ काम करना है. तो वो बोलता था. तो इस गाने के अंदर कुछ ऐसी बातें होती थी उसकी मेरे बीच में, जो इस गाने के अंदर हमने डाली है. और ये गाना मैंने एक्चुअली हमारी फैमिली के लिए बनाया था. ये हमारी फैमिली के लिए बनाया था. अगर इस गाने के अंदर जीत जाएंगे हम, अगर आप ए वतन की जगह मेरे भाई ओ मेरे भाई अगर आप ये डाल दीजिए, तो ये मेरे ख्याल से गाना पूरा कन्वर्ट हो जाता है फैमिली के लिए. आई यूज्ड टू ऑलवेज टेल हिम कि हिम्मत मत हार. मैं बोला एंड ऑफ द डे जीत जाएंगे हम. सो दिस सॉन्ग केम आउट लाइक दैट. एंड इनफैक्ट वाजिद टोल्ड मी कि साजिद भाई इसको भाई को हटा के इसके अंदर अगर तुम ए वतन डाल दो, तो मेरे ख्याल से दिस सॉन्ग विल बिकम मोर बिग एंड इट विल सर्व ऑल ओवर कंट्री मैन एंड ऑल ह्यूमन रेसेस. एंड कहीं ना कहीं मेरे ख्याल से सुकून मिलेगा लोग वक्त. मैं बोला हाँ यार कर देंगे, मगर मैंने ये तेरे लिए बनाया, ये हमारे लिए बनाया. तो बोलता नहीं मेरे ख्याल से इसमें ए वतन डाल दो. ए वतन डालने से ये गाना और बड़ा हो जाएगा साजिद भाई.
No, but I completely agree with you, sir, because I know that it somewhere was talking about the country, but I did feel that इसमें उससे और ज़्यादा deep emotions है. It is something very close to your heart, which brings me to one of the things that we want to talk about on this show, that because of the pandemic, life has completely changed and many of us have received blows. We've lost loved ones, but how are you tackling with that? How are you tackling with that loss? Because life doesn't stop, it just keeps moving and moving. So how are you dealing with it? How are you recovering from the loss?
Sakshi, it's very difficult. I can't put things what I've gone through, what I've experienced, what I've seen, what I've felt. I mean, every time I think about it, I feel like crying. जो खतरा और जो टेंशन मैंने उस वक्त देखा है, एंड मतलब कोविड हॉस्पिटल में जाना, जहाँ पर आपको पता है कि मौत एकदम बाजू में बैठ रही है, आपके सामने खड़ी है, और वहाँ जाना और जाके मतलब वो सब पहन के जाना और वो सब देखना, इतने नज़दीक से देखना, दूसरे पेशेंट्स को भी देखना, बस मैं ऊपर वाले से दुआ करता था कि मालिक जितना जल्दी हो इसको जल्दी कर, बिकॉज यू नो व्हेन यू नो मैं खुद अपने आप को जब संभाल नहीं पा रहा हूँ इतनी प्रॉब्लम में, तो पता नहीं कितने लोग होंगे जिनके पास बीमारी को ठीक कराने के पैसे भी नहीं हैं, टेस्ट कराने के पैसे नहीं हैं। क्योंकि मैंने जब टेस्ट कराया तो कुछ मेरे ख्याल से 3 लोगों का टेस्ट वाज 35,000 40,000 रुपीज़ इट वाज देयर। तो देन आई रियलाइज एट दैट पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम कि ये 30,000 40,000 तो मेरे ख्याल से एक फैमिली का महीने का खर्चा है। अगर एक फैमिली में किसी को अगर प्रॉब्लम हो जाता है, अगर उसकी फैमिली को टेस्ट कराना पड़ा, तो किसी के बेचारों के पास पैसे भी नहीं हैं। तो आई रियलाइज़ कि कितना डिफ़िकल्ट टाइम है। आपकी हर चीज़ रह गई, आपकी गाड़ियाँ, आपका एटीट्यूड, आपकी अकड़, आपकी बड़े बोल, सब ज़ीरो हो गए मेरे ख्याल से। आपका पैसा ज़ीरो हो गया, आपके रुसूखात जो इन्फ्लुएंस जिसको कहते हैं वो सब ज़ीरो हो गया। एंड में काम आया तो सिर्फ अनाज काम आया और फैमिली ही काम आई। आपके भाई बहन से ज़्यादा इम्पॉर्टेंट क्या आपकी तरक्की हो सकती है, या आपके पैसे हो सकते हैं, या आपका एटीट्यूड हो सकता है? क्या कुछ नहीं है मेरे ख्याल से। सो वी बिलीव्ड इन दैट एंड वी बोथ द ब्रदर्स, इनफैक्ट हम लोग 3 भाई हैं, जावेद भी है। एंड दिस इज़ व्हाट वी वांटेड टू पोर्ट्रे इन फ्रंट ऑफ द वर्ल्ड के लोग बाग चीज़ों की वजह से अपने रिश्ते तोड़ देते हैं, ये तोड़ देते हैं। एंड वी वांटेड टू प्रूव देम एवरीबडी रॉन्ग के रिश्ते से बढ़ के कुछ नहीं होता।
बहुत सही आपने बात बोली, यू सेड समथिंग so 2 things that I picked up was like family is the most important thing. Your cars, your money, your house, nothing matters in the end. And the second thing is that family is everything. Family is everything. On that note, Sajid, I'll have to take a break. Guys, don't go anywhere. We'll be back with Sajid Khan on Live the New. Stay tuned.
And there are so many people that told me कि यार साजिद रियलाइज़ रखना, ध्यान रखना कि वाजिद का नाम नहीं हटाना, चाहे कुछ भी हो जाए वाजिद का। And I was just looking at them. I said, they don't know what life we have lived together.
Welcome back to Live the New. We are here with Sajid Khan, music director and composer. Welcome back to the show.
Sakshi, don't say Sajid Khan.
Okay, Sajid?
Yeah, call me just Sajid. Yeah, very simple.
Just Sajid?
Yeah, or you can call me Sajid Wajid.
Okay, I'll still say Sajid Wajid. So music is in your DNA, it's in your blood, and everybody talks about the healing power of music, and it's something that you do, something that you love. How is music helping you, this form of art helping you in this process, the pandemic and healing from within, physically, mentally? How is that an aid to you right now in these difficult times?
Actually, I'll tell you a fact, in the end, a lot of people got detached from us, and I'll be very honest, when I buried Wajid and I came out and I looked up and I was feeling really bad, and that point in time I just looked up and I told him, I said, this time I'm not going to complain to you anything, I'm not going to tell you anything, because I've realized the fact the world is like this, people are like that only. जब तक आप काम के हो, काम कर रहे हो, आप किसी के काम सॉल्व करने के लायक हो, मेरे ख्याल से सभी लोग पूछते हैं आपको। बट जहाँ थोड़ा सा डाउनफॉल हो जाता है या ये हो जाता है, तो मेरे ख्याल से सब लोग फ़ोन पे ही रहते हैं कि यार कैसा है, यू नीड एनीथिंग। आई मीन आई डोंट अंडरस्टैंड पीपल टेलिंग यू नीड एनीथिंग, एंड देयर सो मेनी पीपल दे टोल्ड मी कि यार साजिद रियलाइज़ रखना, ध्यान रखना कि वाजिद का नाम नहीं हटाना, चाहे कुछ भी हो जाए वाजिद का। And I was just looking at them. I said, they don't know what life we have lived together. I mean, how can they think that ke I will detach Wajid's name or hata ke main. And I didn't say a word to them, I didn't tell them anything कि यार ये क्या बात कर रहे हो, आप लोग को इतनी रियलाइज़ नहीं है कि मैं बच्चा हूँ या मुझे समझ नहीं है क्या. Where I'm trying to develop the saying called कि हाँ भाई, brother. And now people are advising me that don't disconnect. But that makes me feel very low. And at that point of time, when nobody was there, I think music came to us. When nobody was asking how you all are. And I think in the end moment of Wajid, he got down to he's got a phone, and he was playing piano on his phone. And the best time he used to cut is by playing piano and discussing music with me. And that was the last thing he ever discussed and spoke about was music. When I became alone and when I realized that there's nobody, there for you, so then I realized then Wajid, music never left Wajid. Why am I trying to leave the music? And I caught the music so tight, and I started practicing and I started doing my own things. Whatever feeling I was going through, I started taking out through my music. And yes, music is the only my best friend right now. I mean, after Wajid, I can't count on anybody humanly. But yeah, music is still there, and I'm sure I will end
So
up on
music is healing you.
Yeah, it is. It has taken care of me.
I read it somewhere that, when you lose a brother or a sister, you don't stop being a brother. You're still a brother because they're always a part of you. And I think that is what is applicable here, that he will never leave you. He will never leave us. And the contribution that you both together have made in the field of music is something that will live on forever. You leave, but the way you touch people always stays. So that is something that you should remember, and that is something I'm sure he also knows. On that note, I'm going to take a short break, but stay tuned everybody, as we'll be back on Live the New with Sajid Khan.
जब आप खुश रहते हो तब रिश्ते आजमाए जाते हैं, जब आप दुखी होते हो तब फरिश्ते आजमाए जाते हैं. दोस्तों के अंदर फरिश्ता कौन है?
Welcome back everyone to Live the New. I'm here with Sajid. Very beautiful things you've said about love and music and people and behavior and the pandemic and how things change you. There is so much to learn from that. I also liked how you said that music is helping you heal in these difficult times and it's your best friend right now. What about other things, at home right now, the challenges that we are facing because of the pandemic is that, we have no domestic help. We can't step out when we want to. We can't go for a drive if we want to. We can't meet the people we want to meet. So how are you, de-stressing yourself apart from music, and how are you spending your time? Is being alone also like people, when they are sad about something, they say they shouldn't be alone. So are you spending more time with your family?
Yeah, I am. I'll be very honest with you, Sakshi. I mean, whole my life I was so busy that I never saw my children growing up, and now ये एक ऐसा वक्त है जो आपकी ज़िंदगी के अंदर हिस्ट्री बन चुका है, और इस वक्त के अंदर बहुत सारे प्रॉब्लम्स हुए, बहुत सारी चेंजेस आए. हमने क्या किया? What did I do in this? So what I did, I looked after my children. I looked after my mom. There was too much of tension because of my mom, because Wajid died and my mother was still in the hospital. So too much of responsibility came on my head straight on. And then I realized that, I think ye waqt hai. And I started sitting down with my children in my house and started training them, and in fact, I'll be very honest, I was training myself by training them, by giving training to them. And that's where I realized that I have a grown-up children in my house, and I have a wife who's done so much, and I have to really take care of her. Before I never used to, before I was always busy and I was always running behind the success. And this time I thought, no, I think this is all contemporary. This is all temporary kind of stuff. I think the thing which will stay with you is your family, is the love you get out of your family, the caring, because at the end of the day, they are only there, and you work for them. And I'll be very honest with you, I was a guy, Wajid used to always tell people, the world, Sajid bhai has got a lot of friends all over the world. And now I'll tell you one thing, I really don't have no friends. I used to have a lot of friends all over the world, and I used to travel and I used to meet my friends. I don't feel like now. And what I want to do is I just want to die in my music. I want to be with my music, explore a different kind of music, what Sajid Wajid has given till now. I want to give a very different shade of it. And let me tell you one more thing, एक जोड़ी जब टूट जाती है ना साक्षी, तो लोग बाग है ना 50% आपको जज करने लग जाते हैं, 50% तो वो आपको फेल कर ही देते हैं, 50% आपको जज करने लग जाते हैं. दे वेट के अब इनसे काम होगा नहीं, ये नहीं होगा, वो नहीं होगा, अब पता नहीं हम अपनी फिल्म को लेके जाए. जो पहले मोहब्बत भी करते थे, दोस्ती भी करते थे, अब वो भी आपको जज कर रहे हैं कि आप दोस्ती और मोहब्बत करूँगा तो कहीं काम ना मांग ले. सो बहुत सारी चीजें मैं देख रहा हूँ मेरे से.
That is not good.
ऐसा होता है.
Really not nice.
It's a cutthroat competition, yeah. Come on. So I take it as a challenge. I mean, we both brothers were very strong, and I know वाजिद था जब तक कि मेरी बाउंड्रीज और मेरे को कहीं ना कहीं वो पकड़ लेता था. बट अब मुझे कोई बाउंड्री नज़र नहीं आती है, एंड आई डोंट अलाउ एनीबडी टू होल्ड मी एनी मोर. आई एम गोना रन वेरी फास्ट नाउ.
We will pray the same, sir. We will pray the same.
And like you said, you're gonna run faster and harder, and that is exactly what we want from you. And we pray that you heal faster.
सी साक्षी, जब आप खुश रहते हो तब रिश्ते आजमाए जाते हैं, जब आप दुखी होते हो तब फरिश्ते आजमाए जाते हैं. दोस्तों के अंदर फरिश्ता कौन है? तो मेरे ख्याल से
Good one, sir. Good one.
हाँ, तो ना अभी मुझे तकलीफ़ की दोस्ती चाहिए, मतलब वो रिश्ते चाहिए, ना ही कोई फरिश्ते चाहिए. मैं चला अपनी मंजिल की ओर, अब देखता हूँ कि लोग आएंगे तो कारवां बढ़ता जाएगा, मगर डर निकल गया अभी दिल में से.
Do you think that is something you needed then to be a little carefree, because that is what life is all about?
आई वॉन्ट टू गिव वन मैसेज टू द वर्ल्ड कि यू नो
Yes,
जो चीज़ आप लोगों को नज़र आ रही है, जिस चीज़ के पीछे आप भाग रहे हो, मेरे ख्याल से वो ख्वाब है. और हकीकत ये है कि हर चीज़ को समझो, अपने आप को समझो, अपने रिश्ते समझो, और बदनसीब मत बनो, क्योंकि वो लोग बदनसीब होते हैं जो अपने भाई बहन, माँ बाप और दोस्त यारों से रिश्ता तोड़ के बैठ जाते हैं. तो मेरे ख्याल से आप ऐसा मत करिए. जिस तरीके से ये चेंज आया, ये पेंडेमिक आया, इसका चेंज ये होना चाहिए. हमने हमेशा सुना है डिवाइड एंड रूल इज़ अ वेरी फेमस लाइन, बट मेरे ख्याल से इस पेंडेमिक के बाद यूनाइट एंड रूल इज़ द न्यू लाइन.
That is another beautiful message from you, sir. That if you have any strange relationships with your family members, remember they are the ones who are going to be with you forever. So heal your relationships, put more time in them, and spend more time with them, because they're going to be with you till the end. Now that brings us to the Britannia NutriChoice Good Choice Challenge. The thing is, sir, that हमारे पास choice नहीं है कि हम बाहर रहे, अंदर ही रहना है. The good choice that we can make within this space is, for example, the good choice I made is that I'm going to eat healthy and sleep on time. That is something I couldn't do because I was always working. First of all, before we do the challenge, I want you to tell me the one good choice, healthy choice that you've made in the pandemic, during the pandemic, and then we'll jump straight to the challenge.
The healthy change which I have realized that as you finish your work, you know, get into your home, get into your house as early as possible, and sleep early and wake up early and start your exercise. Start your day early morning. Don't kill your night, because night जो लोग रात में जागते हैं और अपनी रात ख़राब करते हैं, वो आने वाले वक्त पे आप लोगों को बहुत तकलीफ़ होगी. सो डोंट स्पॉइल योर नाइट. नाइट इज़ यू नो, अच्छे से सोइए और जितना जल्दी हो सकता है अपने घर पहुंच जाइए.
Very beautiful. A lot of people need to know this, because on social media we see a lot of people are staying up at 4 a.m. saying अब तो काम पे नहीं जाना है, तो चलो 4 बजे तक जगते हैं. Don't do that. Please sleep on time. All right, now we're going to do the Britannia NutriChoice Good Choice Challenge. Are you ready, sir? For 60
Yeah.
seconds of no equipment workout.
Okay, come on, let's go.
Yay!
So we are going to do the Britannia NutriChoice Good Choice Challenge. I am here with Sajid, and we're going to do squats. Are we ready?
Yeah, we're ready.
Let's go. Okay, I'm going to time it. I can see the clock. And start. Let's go.
Okay.
1, 2.
Okay, do it like this. Do it like this.
Like this.
Put your shoulders a little up. Go.
Okay,
Bend
now
your
I've lost
thigh.
count.
Stretch yourself. I think we are done.
Yay, we did it! 60 seconds and we've done it. For all the viewers at home, the message that I want you all to take from this is that just because gyms are closed, that is no excuse for you to sit down on your couch and watch movies all day. You can work out थोड़ा बहुत घर पे using your body weight.
Any which ways you enjoy, जीत जाएंगे हम. And please subscribe my channel and look into my channel, because I'm going to deliver a lot of fresh and original songs on that. And बहुत सारे talent को मैं acquire कर रहा हूँ, बहुत सारे talent को सुन रहा हूँ मैं इस वक्त. I am really open for the new talent. And जिन लोगों को भी लगता है कि यार हम लोगों को opportunity नहीं मिलती, हम कहाँ जाएं कहाँ नहीं जाएं, please do come to me. Please do come to me, because I have opened up the Pandora box of my compositions, and you know, so many songs I have which I want to give it to you, which I want to exchange with you all. So practice hard and find me. Believe me, because I'm trying to find you.
All right, on that note, it's time to say goodbye to our viewers. But thank you, Sajid, for your precious time and sharing such wise words with us, that it's very important to spend time with our family members while we can and not just chase success. Thank you for your time, and we'll be back next week with another celebrity. So keep watching Live the New.